Hey guys, I am from Experts Analysis with a new video. Today I'm going to talk about energy. So the first question is, what is energy? Energy is the ability to do work. It can take many forms, such as heat, light, chemical, electrical, nuclear, and mechanical. Energy can be transformed from one form to another, but it cannot be created or destroyed. The total amount of energy in a closed system remains constant, a principle known as the conservation of energy. Now we know what is the energy, but you might think how the energy has produced? The answer to that one is, energy is produced in a variety of ways, including fossil fuels, coal, oil, and natural gas are burned to produce heat, which is then used to generate electricity. Nuclear energy, nuclear power plants use the heat generated by nuclear reactions to produce steam, which is then used to generate electricity. Hydroelectric power, water is used to turn turbines, which generate electricity. Solar energy, solar panels convert the energy from the sun into electricity. Wind energy, wind turbines use the kinetic energy of the wind to generate electricity. Geothermal energy, heat from the earth is used to generate electricity. Biomass energy, organic materials such as wood, crops, and waste are burned to produce heat, which is then used to generate electricity. Tidal and wave energy is harnessed through the use of turbines, much like hydroelectric power. In addition to these traditional methods, there are also emerging technologies being developed to produce energy, such as fusion power and hydrogen fuel cells. Thinking of how energy has been produced, you might think that energy cannot be created or destroyed, so how are there ways to produce them? That is correct. Energy cannot be created or destroyed, only transformed from one form to another. The total amount of energy in a closed system remains constant. When energy is produced through methods such as burning fossil fuels, nuclear reactions, or harnessing the energy from the sun, wind, or water, what is happening is that these natural resources are being transformed into a usable form of energy, such as heat or electricity. The energy that is produced is not being created, but rather it is being converted from one form to another. So now I am going to talk about types of energy. There are many different types of energy, but they can generally be divided into two main categories: kinetic energy and potential energy. 1. Kinetic energy. Kinetic energy is the energy of motion. It is the energy an object possesses due to its motion. For example, the kinetic energy of a moving car or a running person. 2. Potential energy. Potential energy is the energy an object possesses due to its position or condition. For example, the potential energy stored in a stretched rubber band or the energy stored in a raised weight. Other types of energy include thermal energy. Heat energy is the energy that an object possesses due to its temperature. Chemical energy is the energy stored in the bonds of atoms and molecules. Nuclear energy is the energy stored in the nuclei of atoms. Electrical energy is the energy associated with the movement of electric charges. Radiant energy is the energy associated with electromagnetic waves, such as light, radio waves, and X-rays. Mechanical energy is the energy associated with the movement of an object and the forces acting on it. Gravitational energy is the energy an object possesses due to its position in a gravitational field. Elastic energy is the energy stored in an object when it is stretched or compressed. If you really enjoyed my video, please like and subscribe and comment below.